Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the spinning glitch on Dress to Impress. So first, you're going to enable shift lock. So if you go to the Roblox icon, go to settings, you're just going to turn on the shift lock switch. Then you are going to go near the makeup table, select the camera, select close, select the camera again, close. And then you're going to want to press shift, press E, and then you're just going to jump. And then as you can see, you'll spin like this. If you want to add the pose, just press shift again. Go to the pose pack, go to the angel one, press shift, and then voila, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.